everyone, Lori Whitlock here. We're going to put together the double box that you can buy in SVG format at shop.loriwhitlock.com and in silhouette format at the Silhouette Design Store. So when you cut all the pieces out with your cutting machine, they're going to look like this. It's kind of fun to cut this out of a double-sided cardstock and then have a contrasting color on the inside. So let's just go ahead and start folding our main box piece, and go ahead and use a scoring or a bone folder to burnish your score lines in. So we're just going to fold all of these folds in one direction across the whole piece, and then we're going to fold the glue tabs in and these side panels in all the way down the whole piece. I am using some patterned cardstock from my Forward with Faith collection, just in case you're wondering where this pattern paper came from. Okay, so now that we have all of those score marks folded, we're just going to start putting our box together. Make sure you get these two little tabs down here, and the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and glue those two little tabs in place here on the end. So we're going to flip that over, and we'll add some adhesive to those tabs. Just fold those up to make a nice square here on the corner. And then we're going to fold the next tabs in and glue them to their neighbor. So right here along this side and this side. So let's go ahead and add some adhesive to those two tabs. And while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and put adhesive on these next two tabs. I'll have everything laid out nice and flat. Okay, so that's it, just these tabs here. And then we're going to carefully pull these two tabs up and glue them to their neighbor. And you can see the angles there at the top of that tab match the angle here on the side. Same with this side here. Form a nice square edge there. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. Just pull these two down and glue that right in place. And same on this side. So we are done with our box. You just can close that up. Oops, let's put that on the outside. Put those little ears come to the outside, and your box closes up just like that. Look how cute that is. And you have your little finger tab here so you know where to open it. So now we're going to make our little insert. So it's going to make our box more sturdy and a lot cuter. So we're going to take our little score marks and just fold those all in. Using our bone folder to make a nice crease. And then we have two going the other direction. This is a very simple box shape. So now we just have the 4 glue tabs. Oops. Got a little glue happy there, so I gotta push my glue over. Okay, so now we're just going to take those and glue each of those corners up to their neighbor. Make sure it's nice and square on those corners so that it will fit neatly in our box space here, our outer box. Okay, so now we take our box and slide it right inside of our other box. And then we can pull our lid down, and it closes just like that. Look how cute that is. I just love it. So you can, when you open it up, it's just got a cute look, just kind of layered, different papers. You could cut this out of pattern paper as well. I thought it was kind of nice to have it solid in color, so it contrasts a little bit with all the different colors and patterns going on. And there's some yellow here on the outside flowers. So I hope you have fun making this. It would be fun to tie this up with a pretty ribbon and a cute tag. It makes a good favor or little gift box. So I hope you have a great day, and I hope you have fun making this little double box. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.